Okay guys, so today we're going to do 29 through 31. So let's start. The graph below shows the number of cars assembled last year in 4 cities to the nearest 5,000 cars. According to the graph, what fraction of cars assembled in all 4 cities were assembled in Coupeville? So we want to know what fraction of the cars, like total, was assembled in all 4 cities were assembled in Coupeville. Key, 1 car equals 10,000 cars for this picture. So Coupeville has 2.5 cars, which means 2.5 times 10,000. 2.5 times 10,000. Which equals 25,000. Okay, so we know that Coupeville has 25,000 cars. But what's the total number of cars that we have? So Cartown has 10,000 times 4, which is 40,000. Truck City has 10,000 times 2, which is 20,000. And then Cedarfall has 1.5 cars, which is 10,000 times 1.5, which equals 15,000. So in order to get this fraction, we have to put 25,000 in the numerator, over 40,000 plus 25,000 plus 20,000 plus 15,000. Plus 25,000 plus 20,000 plus 15,000. This is the same as $25,000 over 100,000. Which equals 1/4. So our answer is B. Okay. So the next question is 30. Points B and C lie on AD as shown below. The length of AD is 30 units. So let's just mark that up over here. AD equals 30. And BD equals 20. And we want to know what BC equals. Well, how do we do this? Well, we can find the length of AB, which is 10, because 30 minus 20 is 10. But there isn't, if you look carefully, there isn't really any way that we can find BC. I believe that the answer is cannot be determined. But let me just check that. The answer 30K. Let me just check that. Problem number 30 in math. Interesting. So the answer is 6. How did we get that? Let me think about this for a second. AD is 30. AC. Oh, okay. I neglected a piece of information. AC is 16 units long. Remember to read carefully. AC is 16 units long. And then BD is 20 units long. So what we do first is we find the length of CD. And how do we find that? CD equals 30, or 8 equals AD minus BC. So let me just erase that. So guys, I encourage you to read carefully. Like you just saw, I didn't read carefully, and I myself made a mistake. So that's not a good thing. You want to read each instruction carefully. AD minus AC. So this equals, well, AD is 30 minus 16. If I could write any better, that would be nice. Which equals 14. So CD equals 14. Remember, BC equals BD minus CD. BC equals BD minus CD. Remember that BD equals 20 and CD equals 14, which equals 6. I'm sorry guys, I messed up there. Yeah, maybe I should check the answers more often. Gee. And to be honest guys, I think I haven't been very humble throughout this presentation. I'm not a perfect guy. I I make a ton of mistakes. It's more apparent. It's more apparent when I'm in a rush that I'm definitely not a perfect guy. So yeah, I hope you guys can forgive me for that mistake. Okay, so number 31. This is going to be the final problem for this round. I'm going to dismiss that notification. Man, that mistake got me feeling bad. But you know, we're all human. Okay, what is the x-coordinate of the point in the standard xy coordinate plane at which the two lines y equals 2x plus 6 and y equals 3x plus 4 intersect? Okay, so there are several ways to do this. I typically like to use a calculator and map out each of the functions and then find where they intersect using the intersect function available on your calculator. But I don't have a TI-84 emulator to show you how to do that. So I don't have it right now at least. So I'm going to just show you how to do this the manual way. So we have y equals 2x plus 6 and y equals 3x plus 4. We need to make a system of equations. So what we do is we subtract x from this side and put it on the other side. So negative 2x plus y equals 6. Negative 3x plus y equals 4. And then you see that y and y can cancel out from each other. You just have to subtract. So y and y cancel out. Negative 2 minus 3. Negative 2 plus 3 is x. X equals 6 minus 4, which is 2. So that's a simple problem. So we know that x equals 2 now. Answer is B. Alright guys, thank you very much for this presentation. Sorry for that mistake once again. If you guys can forgive me, please do. I'm not a perfect person again, but anyways, thank you.